These are the elevators at the Sarasota Medical Center, part of Doctors Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. We got some Otis Series 1s, Elevonic 411s. Here we are at 5. As you see, there are 3 elevators here. We're gonna go back to 1. Here's your cab view. A couple of lights are out. Actually, 3 of the lights are out. Out of how many? Out of 24 lights, 3 of them are out. Probably gonna get this one. I don't know, the other ones are on 5, this one's on 2. Okay, this one is coming back. I'll cut the video until I get one. I went up to 5 and got this elevator. Let's go 1. Let's start with the cab view. So again, these are Otis Elevonic 411 from 1996. Here's your certificate. 980 phone, 88 phone like the other one. Let's go 5. 3,500 pound capacity. We're gonna go down to 2 because that's where the elevator on the far right was. Actually, I don't know what's on 2. Okay, well, it doesn't open right to a desk, which means that it's a good place to try to get this elevator. We'll see if we can get it. And that was easy enough. Ooh, this one's bigger. The other 2 also have center opening doors. So we're gonna go to 1. It makes a different beep sound as well. Here is your cab view. We'll start with that. And here we are at 5. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here is your certificate. All these certificates are renewed for 2019. 988 phone. We'll just watch the button go out. With that being said, that'll be it.